The good member from the 16th, Representative Rude.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. This is a really important amendment. It represents some shared priorities, a bipartisan effort to increase paraeducator pay. You have seen a couple bills on this topic. One from, I believe, the member from the 49th, the 10th, and the 16th. My bill also addressed this issue. I want to first start with the way this amendment is funded, because it's a large dollar amount. If I may read for a moment.
Please proceed.
So there has been this effort within the Healthcare Authority to reduce fraud, and this we've assumed since 2019 some large savings. I want to explain why it's important that we continue to assume those savings. Through teamwork with HCA and its partners, Program Integrity holds managed care entities accountable for health systems in place to prevent improper billing and payments, ensures Apple Health is the payer of last resort, investigates all leads and referrals to determine evidence of potential fraud, waste, and abuse, and the list goes on. So I think it is important for the legislature to continue expecting from HCA that they will realize these savings to reduce fraud. Moving on to what this does and why it's so important. We're hearing from school districts all the time. We're hearing from teachers all the time. We're hearing from paraeducators about the vital role that paraeducators and other classified staff play in educating our students. Teachers would not be able to operate effectively without the support of paraeducators. These are the people who are on the front lines. They're suffering physical abuse. I have heard so many stories about paraeducators and their working conditions and their low pay. So I did look earlier today, this morning when I got into work. I wanted to see what kind of job postings there were and what the pay was for paraeducators. In my area, $17.22 an hour. Another one was about $18 an hour. Special education paraeducators, $19 an hour. These are people who are hardworking, they love their students, they're putting up with a lot of crap in the classroom, and they're not getting paid well. That's close to minimum wage. Minimum wage is $16.28 in the state, and we're paying these people $17 or $18 an hour. This is a really important amendment. Again, it's a shared priority, and I'm asking for your support.